Have you ever sliced open a watermelon at a summer barbecue, only to be met with a pale, tasteless disappointment? You're not alone, it's happened to all of us. But what if you could walk out of the store every time with a perfectly sweet, juicy watermelon? Today, I'm sharing the foolproof 5-step shop smart strategy that will take the guesswork out of picking the best watermelon, so you never waste money or ruin dessert again. Step 1. The field spot, your secret weapon. Let's start with the biggest secret, the field spot. Flip that watermelon over and look for a creamy, buttery yellow patch where it sat on the ground. This is your best visual clue. A deep yellow spot means the melon ripened in the sun, developing all its natural sugars. If the spot is white, pale green, or missing, that melon was picked too soon and will be bland inside. Always check the field spot first. It's the fastest way to spot a winner. Step 2. The sound test. Listen for the sweet spot. Next up, give your watermelon a firm but gentle knock with your knuckles. Listen closely. You want a deep, hollow, resonant sound, almost like knocking on a door. That's the sound of a juicy, ripe watermelon. A dull thud means it's underripe and dry, while a high-pitched or mushy sound suggests it's overripe. With a little practice, you'll know the perfect sound every time. Step 3. Weight and shape. Heavier is better. A ripe watermelon should feel surprisingly heavy for its size. Remember, watermelons are over 90% water, so the heavier, the juicier. When comparing melons, always go for the heavier one. While you're at it, check its shape. Look for a uniform, symmetrical round or oval form. Lumps, dents, or flat sides can mean uneven growth and dry spots inside. Step 4. Webbing and skin. Don't judge a melon by its cover. Those brown, web-like lines on the rind? That's called webbing, and it's actually a good thing. It means the flower was well pollinated, which usually means a sweeter melon. Also, look for a dull or matte finish on the rind. A shiny rind often means the melon is underripe. Step 5. The stem or tendril, the final check. If your watermelon still has a stem or a curly tendril attached, check its color. A dry brown stem or tendril means the melon was picked ripe. If it's green, it was picked too early and won't be as sweet. If the stem is missing, look for a dry, slightly indented spot where it was attached, not a moist, fresh-looking one. With these simple checks, a yellow field spot, a deep hollow sound, and a satisfyingly heavy weight, you'll shop with confidence every time. No more bland, wasted melons, just pure, juicy sweetness for your family and friends. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more savvy shopping tips, check out my channel and the links below. Happy watermelon hunting!